Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to reveal to you how you can add borders to your documents, tables, and spreadsheets on Google Sheets without any technical skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. So head over to your spreadsheet on Google Sheets, and as you can see, I prepared a table like this here for the sake of this tutorial with data. So now what you want to do, guys, is simply mark or highlight the entire table, or simply the area you would like to add borders to, like an entire row or entire column or simply a cell. I will go with the entire table, so let me highlight the entire table. And after that, what you want to do, guys, is click on that button here at the top, borders, next to the fill color feature. And below, select your type of borders, like all borders, inner borders, left, right, top, bottom, outer borders, and so on and so forth. So for the sake of this tutorial, let me go with all borders. And as you can see, these borders have been applied instantaneously. You may also change the color here by clicking on border icon, border color, and by selecting your color from that list below. You may also go with a border style, like the thickness, like a line like that, or a dotted line, and or a line like this, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's how you add borders to your documents and tables on Google Sheets. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.